Good morning. We're here in 326 Lemon China. This is the house. The gate is an automatic gate, but right now it's on manual. The backyard is pretty spacious and very private. I think this is really easy to maintain. Let's head in the house. Right, so this is the main access, front door, and then some space here, probably for a shoe rack. Living room area, split AC, really pretty. Then we're heading in. There's a bathroom here downstairs for entertainment. Washer and dryer area. To the left, the kitchen. Really nice and spacious as well. Plenty drawers and cabinets for storage. Stainless steel appliances, no refrigerator, but very nice area for a large dining table. All right, heading out. Sorry. This is your car garage that goes in outside. All right. Here at the door, there's pantry. How nice is that big pantry? Heading upstairs. Really nice and spacious, big bathroom right here. Visitor's bedroom. Closet. Its own balcony. Look how nice this balcony is. This one is a shared balcony with the other room, but it overlooks the whole neighborhood. Pretty quiet, and houses are very identical to each other. I think neighbors look after each other here, so that's like really, really nice. And then, see, is this another visitor's bedroom, which has the connected balcony. We have another storage here by the stairs. And this is the master's bedroom, which has its own balcony as well, overlooking the neighborhood. So, huge walk-in closet right there. Very big. Bathroom. Very nice. Vanity. So they're doing paint job here in this house, and if you're gonna put an offer in it, you can pick what color you want for the walls. Currently, I think this is mint green. The upstairs is mint green, and downstairs is beige, brown beige. But definitely you can pick which color you want. Again, this is 326 Lemon China Street in Dededo. Thank you.